speaking to the Chinese? What exactly are they speaking to the Chinese? Because our army people and the Chinese PLA are talking to each other. What is it that the government of India, led by Mr. Modi, is speaking to the Chinese? Please tell the country. Why are they embarrassed? Why are they maintaining this silence? Can they tell us that whether the Chinese have occupied the Indian territory in Ladakh, in Galwan Valley, in Pong Song Su? If they have not occupied, then what is it that you are speaking to? The country should know. Instead of making all these loud, boisterous claims in a public meeting, please enlighten all of us. The country has a right to know. We demand to know from Mr. Modi, our Prime Minister, what is it that you are speaking to the Chinese? What is it? Please tell us on how much territory has the Chinese army occupied the Indian territory? How many Chinese soldiers are there? And let the country be told after every meeting which takes place. Why this selective leaks to selective only journalists? It is a fact, in my opinion, that the Chinese have encroached in an occupied Indian territory. This has been their modus operandi, that once the snow starts to melt, they come and occupy Indian territory, and it keeps on increasing. This has to stop. You have people from Ladakh who are giving out video statements, who have seen the Chinese army occupying more land than what they had last year. So this is a matter of concern, and the country should be taken into confidence. Maybe the Prime Minister can say it in his next Mann Ki Baat whenever he wants to say, and maybe after hearing it, the BJP supporters can do some thali bajao and diya jalao.
How you see all this videos being released by Chinese media and Chinese social media, government-owned all these media houses and channels? They are releasing all the...
This is psychological warfare. You know, the Chinese will do it, we know that. But the government of India should also tell the country. I am not concerned about what the Chinese media is releasing, the Global Times releasing all those videos. I am more concerned about what my government is doing, what my Prime Minister has to tell the country, that how much territory has the Chinese army occupied in Ladakh, in Galwan Valley, in Pong Song Su, in all those 8 fingers. Tell the country what is wrong in them. Because you don't want to say because your approval ratings will take a hit. Why is so much of silence being maintained by BJP and RSS supporters? Why are they keeping quiet? Well, you see, the government headed by the Prime Minister Modi has completely failed in this whole COVID crisis. They have utterly failed in discharging their constitutional duty. They imposed a lockdown, which I have been saying from day one, it is unconstitutional. Law and order, public health are state subject in the state list. It was unconstitutional, it was unplanned. When this unconstitutional, unplanned lockdown was imposed on all the states by Mr. Modi's government, at that time the virus, only 560 people had virus. Now we are nearing 3 lakh people have virus. And you are opening the economy now. So to impose a lockdown, the great visionary called Mr. Modi took only 4 hours to impose lockdown. Now this great visionary gives 8 days time to lift the lockdown. When more than crores of migrant laborers have gone back to the respective states, you are opening the economy now. You have not ramped up medical infrastructure during this 2 months lockdown, and that is why you see in the state of Gujarat, the fatality rate is higher than the national average. The fatality rate is higher than the national average. Media does not talk about it. Why? Because they don't want to show BJP's failures. They are only there to show what Modi is saying, what Modi has done. But the reality is different. This government has completely failed, and 120 million, 12 crore people have lost their jobs. Out of that, nearly 8 crore people belong to migrant laborers, contract workers, domestic helpers. Can all these 12 crore people get back their jobs? What is the plan of the government headed by Mr. Modi? Zero. There is no plan. There is no plan to even provide any succor to them. What is the government headed by Mr. Modi help the state governments? Please tell us. Nothing has been helped. No state government has been helped. You take our state of Telangana. Here the Chief Minister has been demanding that the loans of state government should be deferred. You are not agreeing to that. We have increased FRBM limits from 3 to 5 with conditions. And the Chief Minister rightfully said, are we beggars? Ways and means advance, make it 100%. You don't want to do it. In Bihar, Nitish Kumar has completely failed as a Chief Minister. He was the Chief Minister who went on record and said, please don't allow trains to come to Bihar. And this migrant laborers, majority of them come from Bihar and UP. You have seen that how badly he has managed this whole migrant laborers issue in Bihar. And that is why when all these migrant laborers have gone back to Bihar, at such a time, you are holding a virtual rally. These are the questions which the government should have addressed. You are not addressing these issues. You are trying to pull a wool over the people of India, especially those poor people who have been made, whose sufferings have been made a joke.